here on the summit, and it took me an hour, 9 minutes, and 13 seconds to get up here today. My 134th summit of Mount Morrison in 5.5 years. I use it as kind of a casual workout meditation deal, and I enjoy it a lot. I'm alone today. There's nobody for miles because everybody's smarter than me. See if I can get a look at myself here. So it took about an hour, 9 minutes, 13 seconds to get up here, which is probably 20 minutes at least longer than normal. Snow depth is only about 3 inches average, but there's waist deep drifts and a lot of coast flooding. That's all for now, Mount Morrison